Ooh, that one smells kind of spicy.
Yeah, it does smell spicy for some reason. But it's super cute. Look at that. Hey guys, we are here with a Lush unboxing video. This is my lovely daughter, Gina. She is obsessed.
Yeah.
Like crazily obsessed.
There's another order coming.
I can't even. Anywho, we are going to do an unboxing.
Yeah.
And then I will share with you what the experience of each one of them. Don't do that.
This one is a happy Christmas because she didn't even say it and I have to do it. Okay. This feels like Christmas all over.
Oh my god.
Oh look, the cats can play with it.
So many peanuts. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the Happy Christmas and
Wait,
it
can I
has all of this.
This one's Christmas citrus.
Christmas
And
citrus.
it's a soap. And
This
it
is a
smells
soap.
really good. It smells like lemon heads. I
It
wanna
does
eat
smell like lemon heads. It smells really, really good. It has, oh, you can barely see it with this lighting. It looks like a neon little crispy crunch bar. I want to eat it.
Oh my god, this one's so pretty. It's Santa's belly.
Santa's belly.
Yes, it's called Santa's belly because it's the little. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It does look like his belly. Look, shake it.
Ooh.
It's a shower jelly, you guys.
I've used one of those, but I hit my head when I was trying to use it.
Look,
Because I
there's a
dropped
better
it.
picture for you guys. Look, check it out. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this. Is my Santa's belly too delicious for you, babe? But don't eat it. I don't think you can eat it. Yeah. It smells so good, though. What does it smell like to you?
To me.
Oh my god, and I touched it and there's glitter. Oops. Ooh, glitter fingers.
It kind of smells like your herbal essence.
It's not called herbal, Gina.
Herbal.
It's herbal. Oh my god.
Herbal.
Anyways, moving along.
Bucks Fizz. It's
So
a
next
body
is Bucks
conditioner.
Fizz. It's a body conditioner. Ooh, this one kind of leaked, Gina. You have to kind of show it off to this side. Yeah, there you go. There you
Oh,
go.
this smells like sherbet ice cream. Smell it.
I want to eat all of these products.
They smell so
Oh my god, they smell so delicious. And what was that one again?
Bucks Fizz.
Bucks Fizz.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Conditioner.
Okay, so this one is called Once Upon a Time. And it
Can I
is
open?
a body. Oh, she's not even letting me open it.
Oh, wait, you could open it. Okay. That
Yeah,
one's about
that's
it.
right. This one is a body lotion. Ooh, I love the consistency of it. It looks like mint ice cream. Can you say that? Can you?
This one smells like Coca-Cola. I heard a lot of people talking about this one, the Santa's Christmas.
Okay, let's do one product at a
Oh.
time, Gina, okay? Let's not confuse the audience. So that was Once Upon a Time body lotion. It smelled kind of minty and it was super, super good.
That one's mine.
Okay, next.
Okay, this one. It's Santa's Christmas. Your eyeball.
Well, I'm trying to see what the hell you're doing.
Your eyeball was all on the side of your eye. Santa's Christmas. Look, it smells like Coca-Cola.
That does.
It's supposed to be scented as Coca-Cola.
But why is it called Santa's Christmas?
'Cause
And what is it, Gina? You didn't even say what it was.
it's a shower cream and it's really pretty. And it's really thick compared to the like shower gels and stuff.
So
And
it's a
it
shower
says-
cream.
Yeah, and it says it's a cola scented treat for sweet, spicy, and skin softening suds.
There you go, guys. That was
and then
awesome.
here, you could do this one so I could. That one's like stuck on there. Sorry.
She always gives me the ugly ones to unbox. Oh, yeah, and I'm just saying, don't judge me because I still have my tree up. Don't judge, okay? It is what it is, all right? Yes, I'm too lazy to take it down, okay? I've had some issues here. Oh my god, why is this slimy?
Don't. That one's slimy. Don't open it. Why did you open that one?
I didn't mean to move this thingy, but it moved. What is it?
It's a naked shower something. Wait, let me see. It's a bubbly naked shower gel.
Okay, so this is a bubbly naked shower gel. And what does it do, Gina?
Well, because shower gel, I use that to put on the shower, like soap, like put on my body as soap.
Oh, I thought you meant you use it to like clean the shower.
No,
but
so I'm guessing you just like rub it on your body.
Okay, you scared me a little bit because I thought you were pointing to your butt crack, and I was like, girl, we don't need to know what you be using these products on, girl. We just need to know what they do. So this one is called Snowdrop. You get it? There's a holiday theme. It's pretty awesome. Okay, Gina, do you want to do the honors?
No, because I want you to unbox one.
You want me to unbox one? It's really cute packaging. It really, really is. And I don't know why you don't let me rip it. It's not like you're going to save the wrapping paper.
Actually.
You save... Why do you save the wrapping paper?
Gifts, like if you have someone's birthday coming up.
How many times have you used the wrapping paper, Gina?
Well, I've used a bag from...
But the wrapping paper, how many times?
I only have one wrapping paper saved because it's...
She let me rip it! Okay, so this one, I love it the way that they do this. This gift was packed, was lovingly packed by, what's the name? Sarah's team. Oh, that's so cute. I love it that they do that and make it so personal. Okay, so it has all of this. So it's basically the snack snow cake and the dream cream, which the snack snow cake is a soap and the dream cream is
saucy snow cake.
Oh, dang.
Snack snow cake.
I thought it said snack. It does say saucy. I was reading it backwards, okay? Excuse me. But yeah, it says saucy snow cake and then dream cream, okay? My bad. I'm sorry. I kind of messed up. Let me start with the dream cream. Lush Dream Cream. And it's hand and body lotion. This is the consistency. That kind of, smell that? It kind of just smells like...
Oh, I've had that before. I used all of it.
It's kind of like a very soft, like very light scent.
It's really good.
If you're not too much into like perfumes and stuff, this one is definitely for you because it really doesn't have like a scent.
Can I say something?
Yes, go ahead and say.
That one, it helped because I get really like cracked hands during the winter, and it helped heal that. So.
Well, there you go. That one heals crack.
This one's
when crack kills.
This one's a saucy snow cake, and it smells really good, right? It smells like almonds. That's what it's supposed to smell.
You shoved that thing up my nose.
Our creamy almond scented tea.
Can I take it out?
Yeah.
But it's kind of hard.
It's kind of broken, so don't.
Yeah, it's a little bit broken, so I'm not going to take this one out.
But
because
like
you can see where they kind of like cut it and it's a little bit broken at the bottom. But this one has an almond scent and it smells really good. Okay, the next one is, what is that one called?
This one is Starry Night.
Starry Night. Ooh. Okay, let's see what is in Starry Night. I can see it already and it looks so amazing. It's
a rocket. I think this is a bath bomb. And then this one is a bath melt, the star one. Ooh, that one smells kind of spicy.
Yeah, it does smell spicy for some reason. But it's super cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Like, that is such a cute bath bomb. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, and it has like little glittery things at the end of the little rocket ship, which is so cool. Like, it's super cute. Ooh, what is that one?
Ooh, this one smells like lemon, but I saw like reviews on this and like it gets like everywhere. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I don't think it'd be good to take out of the bag. But it's a star.
You could see where she touched is like pink. And so like this is all glitter. So yeah, we're gonna keep all of that glitterness in this package. But just so you know, it smells super good. It's like lemony fresh and it's absolutely amazing. That one is Deck the Halls. All right. This one smells so good. It smells so good.
And these are all the things that are in that one. There's a bath bomb, a pink one, and then the butter bear, which is really cute. And then the plum snow bubble fart.
Oh my
That one's a huge
jeez.
bubble fart.
This is a huge bubble fart. It's so huge. Oh, that smells good. It smells. Look at how big it is, you guys. It's so huge and it's so cute. That smells delicious.
Butter bear, he's so cute. Look, smell him. He has like a little scarf. You could see.
Why is half of his face
Because
missing?
it got messed up.
Aw.
But there was like the pink bath bomb in there, so it got like dyed all over. But he has like a little scarf in his nose, and then his little ear.
And half of his face eaten off. But even with half of his face eaten off, he's still cute, guys. And then there's this
That
one.
Look glittery.
Oh my god. It's a little bit off-centered, but it's still cute. Oh my god, I think I just got glitter on my lips. This one smells really good. It's like a really clean scent. What would you say it smells? Kind of like lavender, kind of?
Yeah, like lavender.
A little bit. Or like some type of a
Lavender mixed with candy.
something like that. So that one was, what was it called again?
Deck the halls.
Deck the halls
And then
with
the-
balls of holly. Well, you can show them some stuff too. Like you're staying off screen and being really, really rude. This stuff in it right here. And it's the bath bomb.
It's broken.
What? It's broken? OMG.
The golden wonder's broken. It's all messed up.
Oh my god. Dang it. Well,
looks like you'll just have to buy me another one. It would have looked like this, like all glittery. This is glittery, right? And these are like inside. It's supposed to like be like all these colors that explode in your bath bomb.
yeah, but like since it's broken, it's kind of just, you
In
know.
my other gift set that's coming, I have another one of these.
Okay, and this one, what was this one called again?
That one's the snow
whatever.
The snow angel. It's a bath melt.
This one smells good, but again, so much glitter. Again, it's like, it smells really good. It's like a really clean scent. Don't, Gina. Don't do it. Don't do it. But it smells really good. The next gift box is called Dreamscape. I have a feeling that one is gonna be so cute. Okay. So in the Dreamscape here, and you can do this one.
Oh, okay.
So in the Dreamscape, we have, woo, so many items. It's all of this. So you get to see, it has all of this inside of it, which is super cute.
This is the Twilight, let me see, the sparkle jar.
Yeah.
It's that one. And it just smells like the Twilight. Like lavenderish. Smell it.
That one smells good.
So that one smells really
And it says a sweep of shimmery softness and a sweet lavender perfume will make you
Actually,
irresistible
with
to
this
all
one,
mortals.
Where the holes are, they said you're supposed to poke holes in there and like it's kind of like a sprinkle jar. So that's why it's called sparkle jar, because you put little holes. And then this is like a massage bar on the outside. And the Twilight. Oh.
That is the Twilight Bath Bomb. It says, this reassuring sleep-inducing sweet lavender balm paints the night sky in your tub. Ooh.
That one smells really good.
That one smells delish. And you just messed up my hair with that box. I'm just saying.
Okay, so this one's the same one, and it's like...
No, that's actually called Pink.
Yeah.
A pink bath bomb.
That one was the same one in that other gift set.
And it's a tonka, lavender, and vanilla fizzer that turns your tub into a silvery pink sanctuary full of pinkness and love and glitter. It looks super cool. Let me smell.
It's the same one in the other gifts.
I got glitter on my lip.
And then this one's the Serendipity
Serendipity.
soap.
That's a soap, and it says suds up with this skin-soothing lavender and chamomile lullaby for sweet slumbers. It smells delish. Okay, so that was everything, you guys. So overall, we opened up all of these boxes of stuff. This is our first Lush unboxing haul. Please let us know what you think, what we should improve on, if we did great. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, please. And let us know what you would like to see us unbox next time. I'm down for unboxing whatever. It's fun. And then we will be unboxing more because Gina's crazy and addicted to Lush, and we ordered a whole bunch. Until next time, guys, we hope you enjoyed. We hope you subscribe. And keep your alert little dingy thingy on for all of your alerts so that way you won't miss any of our videos that we post. All right. Have a lush day. Bye.
Bye.